to another episode of Cask 529. I've got a special guest tonight, finally. My wife, Shona, has joined me. And she's going to walk me through making her favorite drink, a mint mojito. So, welcome Shona to the show.
Hi everyone.
And we're going to be using a Bacardi white rum tonight. It's made in Puerto Rico. It's aged in white oak barrels. And it's a great mixer. I don't know that I'd pour it into a cup and sip on it. But that's what we'll be using tonight. So, how do we get started?
So, we are going to get started. I'm going to have you add 1 lime wedge and the 10 mint leaves there. I already got laid out there for you.
Okay, sorry. 1 wedge.
And then about 10 mint leaves.
Do I need to count them?
Nope, I already got them all pre-measured there for you.
She's on it.
And then you're going to muddle that. You're going to break up, get the juice out of the lime, and you're just going to express some of the mint from the leaves. And so, once you get that good and squeezed,
Okay.
we're going to go ahead and muddle 2 more lime wedges.
Is that what these are?
Yep. And then we're going to add some, he gets ambitious and doesn't want to follow all the instructions, guys.
Sorry, I thought that's what you wanted me to do next.
Okay, so quit doing that for a second. You're going to add 1.5 ounces of the mint mojito simple syrup. And I know Bryan has shared the 1.5 ounces of the mint mojito syrup. We've made the bourbon mint mojito iced teas a few episodes ago. And so this is actually the same mint mojito simple syrup. And I will share that also in the comments. But how you make the simple syrup, it's really simple. It's 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, about 10 to 12 mint leaves, and you wedge a lime, and you put that in a pot, and you can muddle a little bit while you're doing that. And you're going to bring it to a boil, stirring it, getting all the sugar good and dissolved, bring it to a boil, reduce the heat so it simmers, and cover it for 10 minutes. You want to make sure that you definitely cover that simple syrup so all the liquid doesn't evaporate while it's simmering. Then you'll cool it, chill it, and put it in the fridge, and it'll last a good couple weeks. Well, it never lasts a couple weeks here, but however long. So now you've got that muddled, you are going to fill your glass with ice. All the way to the top. In the mint mojitos, we don't strain those or anything like that. You're going to keep all the mint and the limes right in the glass. You're going to pour 2 ounces of the Bacardi rum, the white rum. Again, we're just using Bacardi, but you're welcome to use any white rum of your choice. And you're just going to pour that into the glass. And then you are going to top that with some club soda. Again, you can buy any club soda that you want. Just regular club soda though.
Just top it all the way off.
Just top it, just leave some room to stir.
Okay.
And then you're going to garnish it with a lime wheel.
It looks like a mint mojito. We'll see how I did.
Go ahead.
Very good.
Great job.
You're not going to try that one? She's going to try it off camera.
I'm going to make sure that I don't pucker up or anything in front of you, embarrassing. So anyways, there's also, I can also put in the directions how to make this more like a serving, a pitcher size. That way you can make it more than just one glass if you have company over, or if you're sitting on the porch and you have company, just make a picture of it and have an afternoon of it.
Sounds good. We'll put all that in the description. And be sure you try this one, guys. It's really good.
Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.